The F24 error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates an issue with the water temperature sensor or NTC. This error is commonly caused by a failed water temperature sensor or overloading the washer with too much laundry for a program with a small maximum load. To fix this error, several solutions can be applied. Replacing the NTC is a possible solution, and using an ohm meter to check the resistance of the NTC sensor can help determine if replacement is necessary. Avoiding overloads is also crucial, and starting the rinse and spin program can help finish the wash cycle. It is essential to pay attention to the maximum load size specified in the manual. Additionally, checking the wiring is necessary. Empty the washer, unplug it, and remove the lower access panel by undoing the screws to inspect the temperature sensor wires for any disconnections. If any wires are disconnected, reconnecting them and testing the washer can help resolve the issue. By following these steps, the F24 error should disappear, resolving the problem with the Whirlpool washer.